Go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a box full of Beanie Boos and there's two. Look at what I got. It's a box from Thai. There's a card. There's a key card. This is a Thai key card. You can find it on Facebook. What's this app?
Twitter.
Facebook, Twitter. YouTube. What's the fourth thing?
Instagram.
Instagram? What's this thing?
Pinterest.
Pinterest. And the last thing's TikTok.
All right, let's see what's in the box.
Look at all of these. I don't have that one. Look at this one. You should get out that one. Look, you have that one.
Let's see what's in the box.
So that was the card. It has a squishy kiki. These puffies. It has the puffies and the Beanie Boo. And it has Beanie Boos.
Let's see what's in the box.
There's two. Kiki. Oh, it's Kiwi. It's a pastel. She's big.
Is she soft?
Yeah, she's fluffy.
Wow. What's her birthday?
March 4th.
What does her description say? Can you read it for me?
Can't read it because she's pink. Kiwi.
Let's see.
Say kiwi, Texas, kiwi.
Kiwi. I'm a kiwi, like the fruit. I lack a tail, but I'm still cute. My birthday is March 4th.
That was kiwi.
Let me see her
had a
eyes. She's got nice purple eyes.
You love that
I
one.
do.
Because it has pink on her.
Who else did Ty send you?
Icy.
Let's see. I see.
She's so cute. This one's a girl.
Let's see the eyes.
Nice.
Beautiful eyes.
He doesn't have a tag.
Well, he did it first.
I'll go to Fun Zone and get more Beanie Boos.
Let's look at your card. It says www.thai.com. Free shipping. This card.
The Kiwi's tag off. Beanie Boos. Look at Kiwi, so big. She's fluffy. She's so big and fluffy.
Yeah?
Look at her.
I am looking at her.
And now I'll do one more video for her.
Okay. So,
Kiwi.
Johnny, are you,
I'm still checking these guys. Good Ice.
are you going to talk to each other?
Icy's hand is good. And Kiwi's hands are so small. Those are cool. Bye. See you next video. I'll see you on the Halloween one.